Purity does not begin with a process. It begins with awareness. When intention is pure, every action becomes meaningful. Because purity is not just physical, it is spiritual. We begin by respecting life, every life. Our journey does not begin at the plant. It starts with care. The cow is sacred to us, not in words, but in practice. This is where our values live. This is where Amoya was born. Care is our first responsibility. Health is never compromised. Because nourishment begins long before milk is collected. Quality is not added later. It begins at entry. Every drop carries a promise. Every drop is tested. Every batch is GC verified, certified for purity, without exception. Because what reaches your family must be safe, honest, and pure. Tradition guides us. Precision perfects us. Rich in nutrition, honest in purity. Amoya ghee is available online and in trusted stores, ready for homes that value purity. Purity at scale needs discipline. Every process is monitored. Every moment. Security is strict. Standards are uncompromising. Every product is traceable. Every batch is GC tested. Purity you can audit. Global brands choose Amoya for disciplined systems, consistent quality, and integrity at scale. B2B partners can connect with us through our website, call, or email. Every partnership begins with trust. Pure in intention. Pure in process. Pure in every drop. When you choose Amoya, you support cow care, empower women, and sustain a way of life rooted in compassion.